Introducing the Exerpeutic TF1000 Fitness Walking Electric Treadmill from Paradigm Health and Wellness. We know you want to get started on your healthy and fit lifestyle right away, so our Exerpeutic Fitness Walking Electric Treadmill comes virtually assembled right out of the box. Simply attach the LCD computer monitor panel and you're ready to get started. Treadmill fitness walking has been proven to be an effective way to get fit. Here's what you can expect from the Exerpeutic Fitness Walking Electric Treadmill. The Exerpeutic Fitness Walking Electric Treadmill is a heavy-duty treadmill. It's designed to accommodate up to 400 pounds of user weight with wide side rails and a heavy-duty steel frame. The treadmill belt is 20 inches wide, similar to commercial fitness club-size treadmills. The 18-inch extra-long safety handles are more than 2 times longer than typical treadmill handles, so no reaching is necessary to secure yourself. No more losing your balance on a treadmill. Getting on and getting off is very easy and safe. The Exerpeutic Fitness Walking Electric Treadmill has a 2-position manual incline feature where you can adjust the incline position very easily to change the intensity level of your workout. Burning more calories and gaining more strength is easy when you're on Fitness Walking Electric Treadmill. The Exerpeutic Fitness Walking Electric Treadmill also comes with a smart computer with an LCD display featuring functions of elapsed time, distance walked, calories burned, and speed. Easy-to-use speed control buttons on the handlebar allow you to adjust from 1/10 of a mile per hour to up to 4 miles per hour for a vigorous fitness walking workout. An on-off switch is right on the handlebar for easy access when your workout is finished. Plus, there's a pulse monitor where you can measure and check your target heart rate anytime and stay within your target heart rate zone. The Exerpeutic Fitness Walking Electric Treadmill is powered with a 1.5 horsepower high torque motor, which utilizes quiet drive, so you can watch TV or listen to music while walking with no interference. And more, the Exerpeutic Fitness Walking Electric Treadmill is easy to fold and store with a hydraulic shock absorber and transportation wheels for relocating the treadmill. It is built to last. Our 5-year limited warranty on the motor and a 1-year limited warranty on the frame means that you can buy with confidence and you can get healthy and fit with your Exerpeutic Fitness Walking Electric Treadmill for many years to come.
Take your fitness to the next level with the power and performance you have come to expect from the #1 in-home fitness brand, the Premier 500 from ProForm. Use Bluetooth to connect your personal device and gain access to iFit's expansive library of videos, where some of the world's best trainers coach you from some of the most incredible places. And your treadmill will adjust the incline and speed to mimic the terrain, so you'll feel like you're actually there. The powerful 2.5 continuous horsepower motor packs the punch for even the most vigorous workouts. Adjust your speed from 0 to 10 miles per hour, or increase the intensity and burn more calories by changing the incline between 0 and 10%, all with the touch of a button. And keep your stats in front of you, from distance covered to calories burned on the multi-window LED display. And have access to your own devices while you work out using the integrated tablet holder with device grip design, so you never have to miss a beat. Move comfortably with the innovative ProShocks cushioning system, which will help you keep going for those long training sessions. And run with ease on the full-size 20 by 55-inch tread belt. Plug your personal device into the audio auxiliary port and move to the rhythm, played through the crystal-clear set of 2-inch speakers. With 20 onboard workouts, all designed by certified professional trainers, you can do something different every day of the week. For a fast and reliable heart rate reading, simply grip the EKG sensors, conveniently built into the handlebars. The treadmill comes with precision-machined 1.9-inch rollers, which reduce the noise and provide a better grip. With a strong and powerful frame, this treadmill is designed to accommodate up to 300 pounds. And it's built to last.
If you're ready to bring home the ultimate run, our TF30 treadmill offers the industry's most advanced frame and deck combination. Our ultimate deck features a heavy-duty frame, extra thick deck, and industrial-grade cushions for miles of durable performance. Our quiet, durable Johnson drive system continuously recalibrates to help you stay in perfect rhythm while you pursue your fitness goals. Our TF30 also includes adjustable incline, convenience features, and a folding design that makes it a snap to lift the treadmill and roll it away when you need the space. The TF30 Treadmill from Matrix. Bring it home.
SportsArt fitness treadmills exceed the highest industry standards for construction and durability. Superior engineering, world-class manufacturing, and constant innovation make for a seriously smart choice. The only time they stop running is when you do. Our treadmills feature easy-to-use displays with multiple programs and feedback options so you can get the most out of your workout. A maximum speed of 15 miles per hour and an incline range up to 15% ensures a challenging workout for even the most demanding athletes. Cardio Advisor calculates optimal heart rate zones for weight loss or cardio conditioning and works with either contact or telemetry devices. Optional iPod and USB ports mean you can charge your device while accessing your own music or media, and an integrated headphone jack gives you more freedom of movement during your workout. Our MyFlex Plus deck system is designed to give you the perfect balance of shock absorption and stability, with a cushioned landing area at the front and a supportive push-off traction zone at the rear. To achieve this optimal deck cushioning, we developed our MyFlex shock absorbing system. Each MyFlex shock absorber is molded from an advanced composite elastomer that is designed to absorb repeated impact but never lose resiliency. That's why the MyFlex Plus deck system carries a lifetime warranty, something you won't find on any other treadmill deck. At the heart of our treadmills is our award-winning EcoPower motor. This maintenance-free, self-regulating, brushless drive system is so clean and reliable that we back it up with an unprecedented lifetime warranty. Better yet, this eco-friendly motor delivers 5 horsepower of performance while using up to 32% less electricity than traditional treadmills, saving you money while reducing your carbon footprint. If you're looking for an energy-efficient treadmill that combines performance and dependability, look no further than SportsArt Fitness.
How fast can you run? How far can you go? What will it take to reach your fitness goals? At Soul Fitness, we ask these questions every day. Because at Soul, we believe that the quality of the equipment affects the quality of the workout. So our engineers and designers constantly improve on timeless design to provide a complete treadmill line that has received consistent Best Buy reviews from consumers and review agencies alike over the past decade. To get started, simply pull the lever and the Easy Assist folding deck safely lowers in 2 stages, gently coming down from a secured upright position until it firmly rests on the floor. We've designed our treadmill with a double horseshoe frame for stability, and we've added oversized rollers and durable 2-ply belts to give them an unparalleled smooth feeling and longevity. And to provide plenty of running room, we've made the decks wider and longer for a safe and comfortable exercise area. Additionally, the Cushion Flex suspension system decreases the impact of the run by up to 40% on your joints. This system, coupled with our Whisper deck, makes for a comfortable and quiet workout. And with a more powerful motor, you can keep your workout going strong. At Soul, we've focused on the details, like a more informative LCD screen, which clearly displays the stats of your workout. Our treadmills also have convenient, easy-to-reach buttons with speed and incline adjustments right on the handrails to give you control where you need it during your workout, allowing you to adjust your speed up to 12 miles per hour and your incline up to 15%. And while running on incline, you can track your vertical feet climbed, in addition to speed and distance. It's extra motivation to keep you running further and climbing higher. All of our treadmills include audio inputs and integrated speakers, so you can listen to whatever music you choose while you exercise. Soul Fitness builds the finest treadmills available. We stand behind our treadmills with a lifetime warranty on the frame and motor, with additional warranties on the deck, electronics, and up to 2 years of labor. Soul treadmills provide unmatched value, quality, and longevity. Because your fitness matters. Soul Fitness, offering the finest cardiovascular equipment around.
Thanks for watching. I hope you liked the video. If you found it helpful, please remember to leave a like and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this in the next episode. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.